playing a game of pool. Who's winning? Is it a draw?
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog here in sunny Tenerife. It's a bit loud. We're in a bar. Sat behind them. It's too hot out there. It's 34 degrees today. We are in another bar now called the Pig and Whistle. Quieter in here, isn't it? It's a bit noisy in that other bar. Just having another drink. They're playing a game of pool. Who's winning? Is it a draw?
Yes, that's Denny putting her ball.
Are you red?
Yeah.
Jack's yellow. Cool. I love pool. I'll have a game in a bit.
We have come out for something to eat at Bobby's. This is in Silencio.
Oh, they've got a kids menu.
Right, well, shall we have a look at the menu?
I'm looking at the vegetarian chips, darling, or fish fingers and chips.
This is fine Indian cuisine.
Fish fingers and chips?
Fish fingers and chips?
Yeah, €4.
Got a vegetarian starter.
How do they do kebab now? Chicken
Wait,
tikka that.
You got non-vegetable starter.
Made it.
You've got appetizers.
A veggie wrap's on €5.
And it's just on the edge of Silencio, and down there is Lagajitas. Do you like it?
I like these.
Yours.
That'll make a nice screensaver.
Let's see what else they've got. They have curries.
They do a Bombay aloo.
Sound like masala.
Bombay aloo, where?
Classic potato curry.
Korma.
Served with this sauce. Potato curry.
Pasanda.
I think you like.
Tandoori bites. Starters and main course. See what else they've got. Oh, jalfrezi.
Sounds nice actually.
I made it.
It's cheap enough, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Because all the speciality ones are only 8 or 8, 9. Those ones 10.
You've got some specialities.
No, 13. I know that's rice.
We'll do pathias. Or called patia.
Yeah.
We like a
they're
patty.
nice then. I might get one.
Chicken
Patia,
patia.
chicken tikka patia.
Oh yeah. Just do like a...
You've
They
got
do butter chicken.
wraps as well, kebab wraps.
They do
Ooh, they're
mango
nice.
chicken. I might have
Kids
that.
menu, that's the kids menu. Fish fingers and chips.
Man, do they do like a... Like...
Nouns.
Biryani.
Peshwawi, we like peshwawi.
What is it?
No.
You know the... Pilau rice?
Yeah, they do rice.
You know the coloured ones on
Yeah,
top?
they do rice. They're not bad.
Yeah. And with the...
We've got a
korma
full
sauce.
wine menu, wine list.
Yeah.
I'm not drinking, I'm going to have some water, I think.
She knows what she wants. Fish fingers and chips. That's her sorted.
That's sapper.
I'm going for a big water at $2.90. Sapphire's on the phone, she's not bothered.
You can get a biryani, you might get any curry sauce with it, so you could get a farmer. 300.
We have some poppadom starters. Is that mango?
Yeah. It's really nice.
We have some nice
Because you won't sit
dips.
down.
Sapphire's. Oh, Sapphire's. You tell Mum to shut up.
Well, she was being rude.
No, I'm telling you to sit down.
Well, I didn't want to sit down.
Madam.
Are you hopping all that?
But it's nice. Them dips are beautiful. And this is Bobby's. There's a few locations apparently. Quite a few locations. Is that korma?
It's mango.
Oh, mango. It's bubbling away.
Look
And
at
I've got a madras.
Mine must be very hot.
Like,
volcano.
it's a
Mine's a
tater.
volcano.
Be careful, it looks right off.
Sapphire's got a nice
Fish fingers.
fish finger meal.
They were only £4. Is it hot? You get your water.
What's a bit hot?
Is it hot? A bit hot.
It's a bit hot. More chips.
Thank you.
Maybe I'll want some more chips.
Have you got a plain one? That's not the coconut one.
That's the biryani, the vegetable biryani.
Oh, very nice. Move it onto your plate if you want.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Another sunny day in the apartment around the pool. We might go swimming in a bit. So that was Bobby's last night in Silencio. Really nice Indian cuisine. We like Indian food, and I highly recommend it. Not the cheapest place. I think our bill last night was about €66, which isn't the cheapest. What did annoy me is the prices are all ex-tax. So, and it doesn't mention tax in the menu. It's just on the receipt at the end. All prices are plus tax. But we will go again. It's not open every day, that one, at the moment. I think it's open mainly weekends. I think Wednesday, Thursday as well. But we will go again, and I believe there's a few locations on that island of Tenerife. But that's Bobby's, and yeah, we put a post out on Facebook asking anyone who can recommend a decent takeaway, and there are a lot of people saying go to Bobby's. So we thought we'd try it. We actually went to get a takeaway, but the surroundings looked really nice. So I said to the family, let's just eat in. It might have been cheaper if we had a takeaway. It probably would have been cheaper, but the surroundings, the setting is really nice. It was like being in Dubai. The girls loved it, and we will be back there again. For those who haven't joined our Tenerife Facebook page, it's called What, Where and When. So I'll also put it on our Ricardos Family Vlogs page as well. I'll share it on there, so you can jump on that Facebook page and have a look at what people are recommending, and ask for any Tenerife advice as well. Nice friendly bunch on there. If you've got any advice, if you're a hotel, if you are a venue, if you are an artist and you want to advertise, head over to the page and throw your services on there. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. It's Della's birthday today, so we're going to go for a meal tonight, another meal, and we'll vlog it as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, please leave a comment, and we'll see you in a couple of days. Take it easy.